Hello, this is Titas Chowdhury from Globsyn Finishing School. In this video, I am going to discuss a concept that is very much required to understand why we need neural network. What is the main reason behind it? So let's start. We know classifier. Most of them are simple. What does it mean? Given the input, it can identify whether that particular data belongs to a particular class or not, and most of the time, in fact all the time, there exist only two classes. For example, given the data set, suppose that data is the data of a customer, whether that customer is going to churn or not. Two classes, churn or not. Given the data, it is going to predict whether that patient is diabetic or not. Again, two classes. So in case of simple classifier, it tends to classify data only in two classes. What it does generally, it tries to impose a simple line, a straight line that actually divides these two classes separately. For example, if you look at this particular graph, there exist two classes, and if you place a simple straight line that can able to classify them perfectly. Now, that's the point I am going to discuss, whether the simple straight line is always gives a solution or there will be a different situations. Let's try to understand this. In order to make this point clear, I am taking help of logical gates. All of us know what the meaning of OR gate or NAND gate or AND gate. I am taking an example of OR gate here. Take a look at this particular table. That is a OR gate. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, and you can see this is perfectly a OR gate. Now I am plotting this in a graph. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, and all of them are plotted, and based on the value of the OR, I am marking them. If it is 0, I am pushing a circle, and if it is 1, I am putting cross. Now, my target is to classify crosses against circles. So it is very easy to understand. You can put a straight line here. So you can see that all the crosses are coming on that side of the straight line and zeros are coming in this side. So in this case, a single straight line is enough to classify data into cross side or circle side. But now, if we consider XOR gate, take a look at this table. This is XOR gate. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So if you have got different value in X and Y, you will get a positive value. Now similarly, like before, if you try to plot this one on graph, you will get a graph like this. So again I am following the same convention like before. So zeros are circled. So 0, 0 circled, 1, 1, this is 0, that's why this is circled. And the ones are crossed. So 1, 0, this is 1, 0, and the result is 1, so it is crossed. So 0, 1, similarly it is crossed. Now my question is, classify all the crosses and zeros. You can't do that by placing a single straight line. So if you put a straight line here, let's say, you can find that zeros are on the both sides. So it's not classification. So how do you handle this kind of situation? So only one way to do that, if you can put another classifier. So that's the main point of this video, that in case of XOR kind of situation, a single straight line cannot divide data into classes. You need more than one classifier. You need multiple classifiers. And that is the central point of neural network. Neural network tries to find out multiple classifiers to classify data perfectly. So in a summary, what I have explained in this video is that simple classifier does not solve every problem perfectly. Sometimes data points are distributed in such a way that placing one single straight line enables to divide data into classes, two groups. We need multiple classifiers to classify them, and neural network just does that. It tries to find out how many classifiers are required to segregate data into perfect classes. I hope you have understood what is the main reason of having neural network. To know more about neural network, join us at Globsyn School.